What if you could launch a dropshipping business with no inventory, no shipping hassle, and no store building headaches? All in just minutes? No coding, no fluff. Just one AI-powered tool that builds your entire e-commerce store for you. Products, images, descriptions, and suppliers included. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete AI-powered dropshipping business using Doba, a trusted platform used by entrepreneurs and even celebrities earning thousands of dollars every single month. What is Doba? Doba is not just another dropshipping site. It's a powerful B2B platform from the US that's been around since 2002, built to help real entrepreneurs launch and grow online stores fast. Here's why Doba stands out. Access to over 720,000 plus products in every niche, from US and China-based suppliers. Direct shipping to your customers, no inventory, no warehouse needed. Powerful AI tools that automate store creation, product listings, and fulfillment. Integrations with Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and more. And the best part? You can build a full store with AI in minutes. At the top of the Doba dashboard, you'll see a tab called AI Hub. This is where the magic begins. Doba gives you 3 powerful AI tools. AI Store Builder builds a full Shopify store based on your niche. AI Product Finder recommends the most profitable products using AI. AI Auto Lister automatically lists your products on your store with optimized titles, tags, and SEO. Let's launch the AI Store Builder. Click on AI Store Builder. Now, follow these steps. Choose your platform, select Shopify as your store platform. Define your niche, tell Doba what kind of products you want to sell or your store audience. For example, pet lovers, fitness freaks, tech geeks, whatever suits your business. Pick a style. Doba AI will then generate multiple store themes with curated banner images, colors, and layouts. Pick the one that best fits your brand identity. Connect to Shopify. You'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store to install the Doba app. Once connected, the AI will automatically sync your store. Go live. Doba will instantly populate your store with 10 trending, high-margin products based on your niche. These items are ready to sell with titles, pricing, and descriptions already optimized. That's it. You now have a live, AI-powered dropshipping store, professionally designed and ready to accept orders. What the AI builds for you. A fully designed online store, Shopify ready. Import-ready products tailored to your niche. High-converting titles, descriptions, and images. Homepage banners, product collections, and categories. Legal and policy pages, done for you. A connected backend with supplier fulfillment already set up. Let Doba handle the orders. When a customer places an order, the order gets sent directly to the supplier via Doba. The supplier ships the product straight to the customer. You get live tracking and status updates. You keep the profit, your sale price minus supplier cost. No packing, no shipping, no stress. Why Doba is trusted by entrepreneurs and celebrities. Strict supplier screening ensures you're only working with reliable vendors. Products ship within 2 to 5 business days, especially from US warehouses. You get a 30-day refund policy and prepaid returns for damaged items. Doba helps you stay on top of trends with AI product recommendations and data insights. Perfect for beginners and advanced sellers scaling to 6 to 7 figures. Let's be real, if you're serious about launching a business that doesn't eat up your time, money, or brain cells, using an AI-powered dropshipping platform like Doba is a no-brainer. It cuts out the hard parts. You just log in, build your store, pick your products, connect your platform, and let the system handle the rest. So if you're ready to start your own dropshipping business the smart way, click the link in the description, sign up and try Doba's AI Store Builder today. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more AI business tools